Create your own documents, presentations, podcast audio, and PDFs using Adobe Acrobat from multiple review sources like PDF files, Excel sheets, MS Word documents, Webpage links, and more. Open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. From the home page, click on Curated PDF Spaces or PDF Spaces from the left side panel, or create a new tab by clicking on Create tab. Then, select the PDF Spaces option. To create a PDF space and chat with your files and links for quick insights, click on Create a PDF Space. You can explore more examples under View All. As you can see here, these sample projects were created using multiple PDF documents. Here are 5 different PDF files combined into one review workspace. You can generate an audio summary or a detailed comparison summary from all the files together. Need more help? Then use the Custom Assistant feature. Let's try one example. You can browse PDF documents from your recent files and save documents directly inside Adobe Acrobat. Simply select multiple files from here. You can choose up to 100 files at once. Or upload files stored locally on your computer, including PDF, DOC, PPT, TXT, RTF, Excel, or VTT files up to 100 megabytes in size and a maximum of 600 pages per file. The third option lets you add a web page URL. The web page is automatically converted into a PDF and processed in the cloud after you add it. The fourth option allows you to paste text directly into the text field. Any pasted text is automatically converted into a PDF and processed in the cloud as well. And the last option lets you import files from online cloud platforms like Adobe Cloud Storage, Box, Dropbox, Google Drive, OneDrive, or SharePoint. That's it. Sign in to the selected platform in your browser when prompted, then click Add to sync everything with Adobe Acrobat. To add more files or documents anytime, click on the Files tab from the left side panel. Then, drag and drop your files or select them from multiple available options. That's it. Now you can get detailed insights from your review documents and other sources using the Get Key Insights option inside the PDF space. Or generate a presentation directly using a custom AI prompt. If you want to listen to an AI-generated podcast created from your uploaded files, use the Podcast Prompt option. Then, choose whether you want highlights or a deep dive summary. Select the option you want and generate it instantly. You can also create a fully customized podcast based on your document review using AI prompts and the instruction box for advanced control. If you choose the presentation option, select your preferred slide design and generate a presentation instantly, just like the one shown on the screen. You can also change themes, customize fonts, and apply different styles using Adobe Express integration inside Adobe software. That's it. All your projects are automatically saved here, so you can continue working anytime from the PDF Spaces section on the homepage. Still have questions or need more help? Drop a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and share it with others to support the channel.